we're out here today. All right, so today we're hanging out in the Parque del Cafe over here in Colombia. The Parque del Cafe is a coffee industry-based theme park. Also have a bunch of mechanical rides like roller coasters, thrill rides, all cool stuff like that. But it's basically a coffee industry-based theme park that educates you on the coffee industry here in Colombia. The park has many maps. They also encourage you to scan QR code, that way you can have the map on your phone. Once again, we're walking around with my trusty Panasonic Lumix LX, super light, compact, and ready to go. So Crater is one of the many roller coasters that Parque del Cafe offers. There's also some rapids out here. There you go, there's one of the roller coasters. It's a very fun and enjoyable park out here in Colombia. Gas.
Decidió probar el fruto y pudo sentir un efecto.
Este café evoca tantas cosas. Evoca el paisaje colombiano.
That is the coffee beans growing on the plant. I just came out of one of the theaters for one of the shows. All coffee themed, real beautiful, real theatrical, very entertaining. So the park has all these coffee plants here planted in. You can see some of the coffee beans. Not mature yet. And those are ready up there. But throughout the whole place, planted. You also have a hanging bridge we're about to cross. All right, crossing the hanging bridge, pretty good. Good stuff. Beautiful views on both sides. It's a river down there. Cool, fun, beautiful experience out here in Parque del Cafe in Colombia. All right, it's time to load up into the train. And just like that, we're ending another day out here in Colombia, Parque del Cafe. Peace out.